this is insane. I literally just came home. Hi! Oh my god! Oh my god, I literally haven't been home all day. I just came back to feed them and this is what I found. Oh my god, hi baby. Oh my god, it's a little baby Ragnar. She was pregnant. Hi mama, you did so good. That's your baby? Look at you guys. Oh my god. Oh.
I present to you something legendary. It's so cute. Like, oh my god. Like, oh, hi.
Mother, I crave violence.
So my horse Squidward is a beautiful, perfect angel, and every day at about 10:30 she likes to plop down for her morning nap, which is very cute, but unfortunately she does look dead during these naps sometimes, and it wigs the neighbors out. So we've come to call it carcass time. And sometimes the other horses get in on it, and then it becomes a group carcass time, but sometimes it's just Squid.
Squonky! This is a hostage standoff. Squonk. What, are there 2 rolls? Squonky, come here, who wants some? Who wants a treat, Squonky? Bring me the roll of toilet paper. Come here, Squonky. Come here, Squonk. Come here, Squonky. Surrender the hostage. Squonky, come here. Come here, Squonk. Good, Squonk. Yay. Treat, 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 treat.
Immediately no. Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
Playing a game of whack fuck here. Whack.
Hello. Oh. Hello. What are you eating, sir? Homer. What is that? Homer. What are you eating? Can I see it? How much of that is in your mouth? I'm afraid to even pull it out. Let me see it. Hand it to Mom. Hand it to Mom. Thank you. Homer. Really? Are you kidding me right now? Really?
Let's see some Rupert. Guess what, Rupert? You're getting sheared tomorrow. Don't look away from me. It's true. It's really happening, Rupert. We decided not to take on shearing this year. We're going to learn from a professional. Rupert, how do you feel about all your wool going away tomorrow at 11? Okay, walk away. Not happy about it? I'm excited. You're going to look kind of funny. He's not going to be a chocolate marshmallow anymore. but you'll still be cute. We're gonna play this game again, where you refuse to go in, but everybody else is happy to. What is this, Mr. Attitude? That's what I thought, mister. Haha, beat you this time, didn't I? Good night. Oh, throw your temper tantrum. I see. I feel so sorry for you.
Buddy, come on. Come on out. This poor guy was trying to eat my quail. And we have rules about that. You can be here, you can eat our feed, you can eat the scraps we leave behind, but you cannot eat the animals. Of course, he doesn't know that, and because it's his first offense, we're not going to hurt him. Poor little sweetie's exhausted, though. He had a long night in that trap. So I'm putting him on the far end of the property where he can eat all of the fallen apples. Hi, guy. Are you okay now? He is not hurt, but he is very scared right now, as he should be, messing with my birds like that. Hi, guy. Look at his cute little feet. There he is, coming around. Do you have anything to say for yourself, mister? Alright. I'll go start a new life, away from my birds. Again, he's not hurt, he's just really exhausted. You get these apples. No heating pack for you, though. The dog found the trap before I did and was carrying him around all night, but couldn't hurt him through the bars. Well, he likes his apples.
This is Ollie. He is an American Pit Bull Terrier. He's a red and blue nose mixed. He is an emotional support dog, so he learns to tolerate a lot of things, like hands in his face. And he's just, you're a good boy, right? Yes. You're so precious. Say, I don't hurt anybody because I'm the best boy. Give me high five. Ollie. Oh, hello? High five.
You are not bringing that in the house. I don't know what that is, but I see fur and mud and grass, and you are not bringing that in the house. Absolutely not. No. Not happening.
So I heard my hen screaming, and I ran outside right now to find out she fucking caught this bitch. Look at this guy. Or girl. Look at those fucking talons. I don't know if he can fly yet. He was just laying there because she was pissed off. She's protecting her babies.
How's it going?
That is a very nice bird.
Thank you. Oh, he's gone now.
Okay.
All right, well, you keep him. Have a good day.
Okay, you too.
What do you have? What is it? What are you doing with it? What are you doing with it?
Oh my God, here. Are you still alive? Are you still? Oh, stay alive. I've got 4 super hypothermic puppies. Feeling pretty good. The black one's really cold. Hold on so I can see. But he's warming up. And then we've got another little brown one in there. And once we... Hi. I've got the little girl in my arms. She's a little chilly.
Trimming up your whiskers, Sam?
Ranch kitty. I'm not a cat guy. I wouldn't call myself a cat guy. She's not a cat. She's not a human cat, like cat human.
Yo, why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? You got a staring problem, pal?
Like what, dude?
Oh my God, you're coming. You're coming after me. I don't know. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, there's you coming. Oh my God, you're gonna eat my life. I don't know what to do. Oh my God, that one's coming. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh. Hi.
Chicken Elizabeth Nugget, I do not need your help. Do not do it, Squid. Dexter? No. Dexter. Chicken Nugget. Squid! Squidward! Nugget, don't bite it. It did nothing to you. Do not use...
Living life, every day, late at night, not a...
What are you doing?
I'm on Facebook.
No, what are you doing with the cow on the couch in the house?
Stone, I already told you, I'm working with this cow as my therapy cow. So, this is what I'm doing.
Mama, that's not right.
Stone, I'm not on the good couch.
Mama, that's
and
still...
I have a towel on the couch.
Mama, that's still not right. We not white.
We black.
Mom, you got to put the cow back at the farm.
The farm is right outside. The only difference is I brought it in the house. Are you cleaning up after her? No, you don't. I do. And I'm not on a good couch. And I have a towel.
Dog pound. Dog pound. Which one do you want to go to the dog pound? You want to go to the dog pound? Sky, you want to go to the dog pound? I didn't think so. So stop all that. Especially you. You're the first one.